Looking for the best RC plane to take your flying experience to the next level in 2026? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best RC planes of 2026, from beginner-friendly trainers to high-performance aircraft built for speed, aerobatics, and unforgettable flights. We've compared flight performance, stability, durability, features, and overall value to bring you the very best options available this year. Whether you're just getting started in the RC hobby or you're an experienced pilot searching for your next upgrade, there's something on this list for everyone. Be sure to watch until the end to see which RC plane takes the #1 spot. And if you're interested in any of the models featured in this video, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's take off and explore the top 5 best RC planes of 2026. 5. Hawk's Work HWNRTV-001. Take to the skies with confidence using this beginner-friendly RC glider airplane. Designed with a built-in self-stabilization system, it helps new pilots learn quickly and enjoy smooth, controlled flights after just a few practice sessions. The lightweight yet durable foam construction can withstand minor crashes, making it an ideal first RC aircraft for kids and adults alike. Featuring a reliable 2.4 GHz radio control system, the plane responds accurately in 4 directions and allows multiple aircraft to fly simultaneously without signal interference. Backed by a 1-year aircraft warranty and a 3-month battery warranty, you can fly with peace of mind. Plus, dedicated technical support is available to help resolve common flying issues and ensure the best possible experience. Watch the video to see how easy and fun it is to get started with your first RC glider. 4. 4DRC V50 Black Endless Flying Fun for kids and adults. Experience the excitement of flight with this easy-to-control RC airplane featuring multiple fun modes, including aerobatic rolls, 360-degree circling, throw-to-fly launch, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3 adjustable speed settings. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, the intuitive controller makes takeoffs, landings, and impressive stunts simple to master within minutes. Bright LED lights create a stunning visual effect for day and night flying, making every flight an unforgettable adventure. Built from lightweight yet highly durable EPP foam, this airplane can withstand countless bumps, drops, and crashes while remaining safe for kids thanks to its enclosed propeller design. Beautifully packaged and packed with exciting features, it's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Watch the YouTube demonstration video to see its amazing stunts, glowing night flights, and effortless controls in action before taking your flying adventure to the next level. 3. Volanta XRC EXA76108RBB2. Take your RC flying experience to the next level with this easy-to-fly RC airplane, designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. Featuring the advanced X-Pilot gyro stabilization system and a powerful motor, it delivers smooth, stable flights and effortless control, even for first-time users. Enjoy exciting aerial maneuvers with the one-key aerobatics function. Simply press a button and perform impressive stunts with ease. The 3-level flight control system allows you to progress at your own pace, from full beginner assistance to complete manual control. With a reliable 2.4 GHz transmitter offering up to 656 feet of control range and strong anti-interference performance, it's perfect for outdoor adventures and flying sessions with friends. The efficient gearbox design maximizes power while conserving battery life, providing up to 15 minutes of flight time per charge. Watch the YouTube demonstration video to see its stable flight performance and aerobatic capabilities in action before your first takeoff. 2. FunPX SQN074. Take your flying adventures to the next level with this exciting LED RC drone, designed for kids and beginners alike. Featuring a dazzling multicolor LED light show, every flight becomes a spectacular nighttime display that's perfect for parties, family gatherings, and outdoor fun. Switch between low and high-speed modes to match your skill level and impress friends with incredible 360-degree stunt flips at the press of a button. The ultra-lightweight foam body provides added safety and durability, helping protect both the drone and young pilots during accidental bumps and crashes. Easy-to-use features like one-key takeoff landing and headless mode make learning to fly quick and stress-free. ready to fly right out of the box. It includes 3 modular batteries, delivering up to 45 minutes of total flight time, plus remote batteries for instant fun. With responsive dual joystick controls and an anti-wind stabilization design for smooth hovering, this drone delivers a precise and enjoyable flying experience indoors or outdoors in calm weather. An ideal Christmas, birthday, or holiday gift that brings excitement, creativity, and adventure to every flight. 1. Hobby Zone AeroScout S2 1.1 RTF Basic. Take your first step into the exciting world of RC aviation with this durable and easy-to-fly trainer aircraft, designed for both first-time pilots and experienced flyers who teach others to fly. Featuring exclusive safe technology, it helps prevent crashes by providing stability and flight assistance, making learning safer and more enjoyable. Easily switch between beginner, intermediate, and experienced flight modes with the flip of a switch, allowing you to build confidence and skills at your own pace. The package includes almost everything needed to get airborne, requiring only a compatible LiPo battery and charger, sold separately. For reliable, interference-free control, it comes equipped with a Spectrum DXS transmitter featuring industry-leading DSMX 2.4 GHz technology. Whether you're learning to fly or helping others master the skies, this trainer delivers an exceptional flying experience. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best RC planes of 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first aircraft or an experienced pilot ready to upgrade your fleet, there's an RC plane on this list that can take your flying experience to the next level. We hope this video helped you find the perfect model for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest RC reviews, comparisons, and flying adventures. All product links are available in the description below, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep flying high and have fun in the skies.